ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ನಿಮ್ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಆಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? Total misuse of law by police. You will direct departmental inquiry against him. 1 lakh you will pay from your pocket. Notice issue ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಏನ್ ವೈಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅದೇ
ಬಾಗ್ಲೂರ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಬಾಗ್ಲೂರ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್.
We'll release him today. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು? Come this side, sir. Why did you take him into custody?
ನೋಟಿಸ್.
ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಾ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ
ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ? 2 times ಕೊಟ್ರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್? ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಅಥವಾ ನಾಮಕೆ ವಾಸ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ವೈಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ? 498A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ?
ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆನೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
ಪದೇ
ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿಗೆ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ವೈಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಕಪ್. ಏನ್ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಆಟ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? You think it is a play that sending someone to prison? ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. There are crimes committed, definitely send in a manner known to law. Wives today day in and day out are registering crimes. And you straight away take the husband into custody. For what? Partnership deed between the husband and the wife is alleged to be forged. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ.
3 months, only 2 CDs.
Will direct departmental inquiry against him. I will impose costs of putting him into custody. 1 lakh you will pay from your pocket. What do you think of yourself? And police ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. How did you put him into custody? And what is the offense? ಏನು offense ಇಲ್ಲ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್. And you created records of notice being issued. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಲೈವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್. If there are crimes committed, do it in accordance with law, not because the wife registers a crime or frivolous crimes. 69 allo ashte ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Something has to be done in 69. Everybody is behind bars. Consensual acts for 8 years. The moment crime is registered under 69, he is inside. Total misuse of law by police. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
April 21st, my lord. More than 2 months have passed, my lord.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Instructions I've heard is notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಯಾವ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ 318(4). cheating and forgery. And complainant is the wife.
The two
It's a pure,
No, I think your lordship may direct for departmental inquiry. The two investigation
pure
officer-
husband and wife dispute in a partnership firm.
The two investigation
Wife
officer.
appears, two investigations.
First investigation officer for 3 months does nothing except writing 2 CDs. He has taken over the investigation.
What is the date of registration of the crime?
1912.
19/12/2025 registration of crime ge 5 months ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ arrest ಮಾಡಿದಾರ. This is the new IO, is it?
Charge sheet
the
has
new
not
one.
been filed yet, my lord.
Yes, sir. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಹೊಸ್ತು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು? ಹಳೆ IO 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು. ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು?
ಅವರು ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರು?
Accused.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇದೇ ತರ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಾ?
ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ?
That is 498.
ಅದೇ 498 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
NBW.
The petitioner, the husband of the complainant, the second respondent, is before the court seeking his release, seeking quashment of the FIR in crime number 308 of 2025. Crime number 308 of 2025 is registered by the wife on 19/12/2025, alleging that the husband has forged the signature of the wife and has signature of the wife and created a partnership deed and opened a current account without the knowledge of the wife. This is the fulcrum of the complaint registered on 18/12/2025. The crime is registered before the jurisdictional police, i.e. Bangalore Police Station. The investigating officer who began his investigation on the 19th of December 2025 did nothing for 3 months. No investigation virtually takes place in terms of the records for 3 months. The station house officer is changed. The present investigating officer, what's your name?
ರಮೇಶ್.
You know?
ರಮೇಶ್ ಬಂದ್ರು.
So and so takes charge as officer in charge of the police station of Bangalore Police Station. It is then the investigating officer appears to have shown undue interest in the case, which resulted in the petitioner husband of the complainant against whom no investigation virtually was conducted for 3 months, to immediately issue a notice under 35(3), seeking to appear before the investigating officer for conduct of investigation in the 4th month, and alleging that the petitioner has not cooperated, takes him into custody. The magistrate
Remand.
The magistrate, by the remand order with blatant non-application of mind, has permitted the custody of the petitioner. It is by now too well settled a principle of law that arrest should be the last resort in terms of the judgment of the apex court, right from D.K. Basu till the judgment of the apex court in Arnish Kumar. In what offences, even Nallabalu, in what offences that the offences arrest should come about is elucidated by the apex court in those judgments. Notwithstanding the same, the petitioner is taken into custody just only because of the registration of the complaint by the wife, for which the offense punishable is up to 7 years or less. Therefore, the act of the investigating officer of showing undue haste in taking the petitioner to custody without any rhyme or reason, nor there are any reasons indicated for the arrest of the petitioner except a bald statement that he has not cooperated with the investigation, would necessarily lead to the release of the petitioner from prison. The order cannot stop with this, but the investigating officer cannot be left off the hook for acting blatantly contrary to law. A departmental inquiry shall ensue against this investigating officer investigating officer of, a station house officer of the Bangalore police station stroke the investigating officer at the hands of the competent authority in accordance with law, and the action taken against him shall be reported back to this court within 12 weeks from today. The proceedings against the petitioner husband shall remain stayed till the next date of hearing. In the light of the interim order granted now, the petitioner shall be released from prison without broking any delay. The registry is directed to communicate this order through electronic mail to the jail authorities to enable release of the petitioner forthwith.
No, even against the person who did not conduct investigation, for 3 months, nothing has been done.
So it's-
Even
and,
against that person also.
the competent authority is also directed to inquire into the conduct of the investigating officer who, after registration of crime from 18/12/2025 till the present incumbent takes over for conducting no investigation worth the name. Yes. I'll bari ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Next.
Much obliged.